gonna start this video off with a nighttime POV drive. Yes, sir. That's crazy. I still never got this car clean. Let's go ahead and get this drive. First thing first, open up the door. This is an RT. I do not claim SRT. Even got RT right here. I know this is annoying. All right, y'all, we got that nighttime POV drive. Got my twin over there. Y'all good, y'all can see the camera. We finna go ahead and slide. I gotta take these lights off. So yeah, we gonna make sure he just put the regular lights on. He got a RT Daytona. Y'all can't see, he got an RT Daytona. This is just a regular RT. Same engine though. So yeah, we gonna see what they gonna do. I mean to get y'all a nighttime POV shit. We out, y'all. Shit. Took the wrong turn. Oh yeah, we put this bitch in sport mode too. And take that traction control off. Oh snap. Nighttime PLG drive, a little something slight work. What y'all think of this nighttime POV drive? Hopefully y'all can see it. You know what I'm saying? I just want to talk to the folks. That's my brother and his homeboy and his, I think he got a 13 Charger RT Daytona. It's just a regular, this is just a RT Max, you know. Still got the same engines though. Y'all can hear him. Let y'all hear him. Hear me, baby. So I know what y'all think of these videos though. Been saying for the longest. I know I kind of put my videos together and stuff like that, you know. But at least I'm trying to put some type of quality out. Heat now, it's getting a little hot in here. up ahead. I know y'all can't see them, but I can. We don't need no trouble with the laws. No, sir. Yep, gonna bust that right. Hell yeah. That's all I've been needing. Somebody else to cut up with. I need more homies with sports cars, man. I need y'all to get in some sports cars. You know, man, you got a Charger, Challenger, Camaro, Mustang, something. Preferably V8s, because they sound good coming down the road, whether it be American, German, hell, Japanese. Don't get me wrong, I love the V6s and the inline 6s. Everything I had was a V6. Get into a V8, that's a different story. I gotta take off that eco mode. Sound like a V8 to a V6. Damn Mexican roads! God damn it, Mexico! These roads fixed. Let me give it a side up. That bitch sound good. Let me chill out. Flag on run, get in front of me. Oh shit. That window is out. Alright y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all up later on. I think I recorded enough.